Yeah, this is a bypass hose on a Dodge 5.2 liter. The 5.2 liter is in a 1994 Dodge B250 van. And all the videos I seen on YouTube that I watched to get to the bypass hose, which is right down there, everybody was taking off the air conditioner pump and the alternator from the bracket and then removing the bracket altogether. I just removed the bolts to the bracket and pushed the thing out of the way. Why make a bunch of extra work for yourself if you can just do it this way? So here's obviously a new method to save everybody some time that gets to watch this video anyways. And that's it. Save a little bit of time, do it this way. Don't take everything apart, just remove the bracket bolts and push it out of the way. Push it back when you're done. Simple as that.